Bike man, tutong, man, ha! Tuntut ka na, tutong harap, ha! Do, hap! Likas, henga! Tutong, man, ha! Harap sa likod, hap! Ayusin dapat, ayusin. Harap sa likod, hap! Hugay kamay, ha! Baba kamay, ha! Likas, henga! Tutong, man, ha! Ang tilap. Sangak bang, patalikod. Hap! Ikas, hanya! Balag!
Yes, sir.
Okay na. Good morning, subordinates.
Morning, sir.
Okay. So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ngayon, individual. Tatanungin ko kayo ngayon isa-isa. Regarding dun sa 11 General Order, Security Creed, RCSU, FEO, FADFAO, SOSYA. Kasi bakit po kayo tatanungin? Diba? Kasi yung itatanong ko sa inyo, nakasaad dito sa mga guidelines ng work natin. Diba? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng SOSYA? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng FADFAO? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng 11 General Order? Ano ba yung sinumpaan nating tungkulin? Diba? Kasi kung wala yung mga ito, wala tayong guidelines. Wala tayong susundan. Tama, mali? Okay. Kaya pinapamemorize ko sa inyo, pinapasaulo ko sa inyo para at least pag gumawa tayo ng trabaho natin, pasok dito sa 11 General Order Security Creed. Di ba? So nagkaintindihan?
Yes, sir.
O kaya sana subordinates, lahat makuha natin. Kasi bilang lehitimong security, dapat alam niya. Di ba? Kasi ang security para sa akin, the best yan. Matalino lahat, mahusay lahat. Kasi hindi ka matatawag na isang security lehitimo pag hindi mo alam kung anong nakasaad dito sa loob. Hindi natin alam ang 11 General Order. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung sinumpaan natin tungkulin sa security creed. Di ba? So dapat alam po natin yung bilang lehitimong security. Dapat alam natin lahat. Saan kaintindihan?
Yes, sir.
So ngayon tatawag tayo rito SIC sa unang tilap. Okay, tatawagin natin si SG Sally. Di ba? Okay. So umpisa natin. So may dala akong kopya. Para at least alam ko kung anong pinapamemorize natin. Okay.
Sally. Anong meaning ng padpaw?
PADFAO, Philippines Association Detective Protective Agency Operators.
Sosya.
SOSYA, Supervisory Office for Security Investigation Agency.
FPO.
FEO, Firearms and Explosive Office.
RCSU.
RCSU, Regional Civil Security Unit.
Security Creed.
Security Creed. As a security guard, my fundamental duty to protect life and property, maintain in order, within my place of duty, protect the interests of my employer and our client, in the security and stability of our government and our country, without compromising prejudice, honest in my actions, words, and thought, and do my best to uphold the principle, maka-Diyos, makabayan, makatao, at makalikasan.
11G, 1 to 11.
11G 1 to 11. GO number 1, to take charge of this post in all company property and view and to protect, preserve the same in utmost diligence. GO number 2, to walk in alert manner during my tour of duty and observing everything that taking place within sight or hearing. GO number 3, to report all violation of regulation in order I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4, to relay all call from posts more distant from the guardhouse where I am stationed. GO number 5, to quit my post only when properly relieved. GO number 6, to receive OB and pass on the relieving guard, all order per company officer, supervisor, post in charge, or ship leaders. GO number 7, to talk to no one except in the line of duty. GO number 8, to sound or call the alarm in case in fire or disorder. GO number 9, to call my superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10, to salute all company officer is superior in the agency ranking public official in commission of the EFP and PNP. GO number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during time for challenging to challenge all person or honor my post and to allow no one to pass later without proper authority, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good.
Pad po tapos lahat. Tapos po sir. Okay, doon tayo kay Coach Managtayas. Okay, Coach Managtayas. Okay. Anong ibig sabihin ng RCSU?
Regional Cyber Security Unit.
Okay. APO.
Firearms and Explosive Office.
Okay. PADPAW.
Philippine Association Detective Protective Agency Operators.
SOSYA.
Supervisory Office Security Investigation Agency.
Okay, very good. Good job. Arola. Okay, security creed.
As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect life and property and maintain order within my place of duty, protect the interests of my employer and our client in the security and stability of our government and our country without compromise and prejudice, honest in my action, words, and thought, and do my best to uphold the principle, maka-Diyos, makabayan, makatawa, at makakalikasan. Sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. Dito tayo kay SG12 ba sir? Okay, security creed.
As a security guard, my fundamental duties is to protect life and properties and maintain peace and order within the vicinity, my place of duty, protect the interests of my employer, our client, and the security and stability of our government country without compromise and prejudice, and honest in my action, word, and thought, and do my best to uphold the principles, maka-Diyos, makabayan, makatawa, at makakalikasan.
Okay, 11 Gio.
Live in Geo. Number 1, take charge of the post in all company properties in view and protect, preserve the same utmost diligent. Number 2, to walk in alert manner during my tour of duty and observing everything that take place within sight or hearing. Number 3, to report all violation of regulation and orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to relay all calls from posts more distant from the security house where I am stationed. Number 5, to quit my post only and properly relieved. Number 6, to receive OB and pass to the relieving guard all orders from the company officers, supervisory, post in charge, chief leader. Number 7, to talk to no one except in line of duty. Number 8, to sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9, to call the superior officers in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10, to salute all company officers in the agency ranking public officers in the AFP Philippine National Police. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night during the time of to challenge our person on honor my post and to allow no one to pass later without proper authority, sir.
Okay, PADPAW.
Philippine Association Detective Protective Agency Operators.
SOSYA.
Supervisory Office for Security Investigation Agency.
Okay, very good.
Sir.
Okay. Sumail. 11 Gio, 1 to 11.
Tagalog, sir.
Tagalog. Para at least marinig natin na Tagalog naman, Tagalog.
Debenjo, number 1. Pangasiwaan ng buong usay at pangangalagang POG o kumpanyang binabantayan, pati na ang lahat ng mga ari-arian. Number 2. Lumakad ng palaging handa, magmasid at makinig mabuti sa anumang nangyayari sa paligid. Yung number 3. Gumawa ng kaukulang ulat tungkol sa mga katiwalian laban sa kautusan na nararapat kong ipatupad. Yung number 4. Ipaalam lahat ng tawag mula sa malayo sa aking bahay tanod. Yung number 5. Umalis lang sa pinatatalagkahan kapag may maayos ng kapalitan. Yung number 6. Tanggapin, sundin at ipagbigay alam sa aking kaaliling tanod ang lahat ng utos ng mga pinuno at opisyal ng kumpanya, supervisory, post in charge o mga ship leader. Yung number 7. Huwag magipag-usap kaninuman habang naka-duty maliban lamang kung ito'y tungkol sa inyong trabaho. Yung number 8. Magbabala kung may sunog o gulo. Yung number 9. Pagbigay alam sa nakatataas na opisyal kung mayroon anumang bagay na hindi nasasaklaw sa tagubilin. Yung number 10. Sumaludo sa mga pinuno ng kumpanya, ahensya, gobyerno at opisyal ng Philippine National Police. Yung number 11. Maging maigpit at mapagmasid lalo na sa gabi at nang masilang panahon, usisayin mabuti kung sino ang nasa paligid o malapit sa aking pinagtatanuran. Huwag paintulutan, makaraan ang sinuman nang walang kaukulang paintulot.
Okay, very good. SG Gunahan. Security grade.
As a security guard, fundamental duty is to protect life and properties and maintain order within place of duty. Protect the interests of my employer and our client in the security and stability of our government and our country without compromise and prejudice, honest and my action work and truth and do my best to uphold the principle, maka-Diyos, makabayan, makatao at makakalikasan.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, SG Jamil. Okay, security grade.
Security grade. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect life and property and maintain order with my place of duty, protect the interests of my employer, of our client, and the security and stability of our government, our country, without compromise and prejudice, honest in my action, word, and thought, and do my best to uphold the principles, maka-Diyos, makatao, makabayan, at makakalikasan.
Okay, Sosya.
SOSIA, Supervisory Office for the Security Investigation Agency.
Okay, very good. Good. Okay, SG Giling. FEO.
Firearms Exclusive Office, sir.
Okay. RCSU.
Regional Civil Security Unit, sir.
Sosya.
Supervisory Office in Security Investigation Agency.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, SG Salahuddin. 11 GO 1 to 11.
Number 1. To take charge of disposing all company property in view and to protect the same utmost diligent. Number 2. To walk an alert manner during my turn of duty and observing everything that takes place sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violation of regulation or order I am instructed to enforce. Number 4. To relay all call from more distant from the guardhouse where I am stationed. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive or be impassed to the relieving guard or order from the company officer, supervisor, post in charge of chief leaders. Number 7. To talk to no one except on the line of duty. Number 8. to sound or call the alarm in case fire disorder. Number 9, to call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10, to salute all company officer, officer of the agency ranking public officer, officer of the Philippine National Police. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging to challenge all person or owner my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority, sir. Okay, very good. Security creed. Security creed. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect life and property and maintain order. Within my place of duty, protect the interests of my employer and our client, and the security and stability of our government, our country, without compromising, prejudice, honest in my action word, and thought and do my best to uphold makajus, makabayan, makatawad, makakakalikasan. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, SJ Reliana BJ. Security creed.
As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect lives and property and maintaining order within my place of duty, protect the interests of my employers and our clients, and the security and stability of our government in our country without compromise and prejudice, honest remarks and words, and truth, and do my best to uphold makajos, makabayan, makatao at makakalikasan.
RCSU.
Regional Civil Security Unit.
PADPAO.
PADPO, Philippine Association Detective Protective Agency Operators.
Okay, very good. SG Kiling Jr. PADPAO.
Philippine Association Detective Protective Agency Operators.
SOSYA.
Supervisory for the Office Security Investigation Agency.
APO.
Firearms Explosive Office.
Firearms.
Firearms Explosive Office.
Very good. Yeah. Ito. Snappy ito. O yan. Tanggulima. Ting admin. SG Dundahin. 11GO 1 to 11.
Due number 1, to take charge of the post in all company properties in view protect the same without post diligence, sir. Due number 2, to work in alert manner during my tour of duty, observing everything that is witnessed or hearing, sir. Due number 3, to report or violation of regulation in order I am instructed to enforce, sir. Due number 4, to relay or call from post more distant from the security house where I am stationed, sir. Due number 5, to quit my post only when properly relieved, sir. Due number 6, to receive OBM pass or relieving guard or order from company official and officer force in charge or chief leader, sir. Due number 7, to talk to no one except in the line of duty, sir. Due number 8, to sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder, sir. Due number 9, to call the superior officer in a case not covered by instruction, sir. Due number 10, to salute or company official and officer in the agency ranking public official and officer of the Philippine National Police, sir. Due number 11, to be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging to challenge all person on or near my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper lit. Sir!
Okay, very good.
Okay, so alhamdulillah. So palakpakan natin subordinates ang ating sarili. Okay, very good. Halos lahat, kuha lahat. Okay, alam nyo kasi mga subordinates, kaya pinapamemorize ko yan sa inyo. Mahalaga sa atin yan. Mahalaga sa atin yan. Yan yung mga guidelines natin, yan yung nakaka-under sa atin. Yung mga saloobin yan. Most especially yung 11 General Order. Kasi pag wala yun yan, wala tayong guidelines. Diba? Kaya malaking bagay sa atin, pag nakuha natin, pag na-memorize natin, alam natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ba ito. Diba? Okay, kasi nandyan nakasaad yung ano natin yung trabaho natin sa 11 General Order. Nandyan nakasaad. So ngayon, okay, very snappy, kuha lahat, lahat ng tinanong ko sa inyo, kuha lahat. Sana i-implement natin yan, i-consistent natin yan, most especially pag actual natin ang dapat ginagawa natin na yan. Di ba? Most especially yung 11GO number 11. Di ba? Kung gaano kahalaga ang 11GO number 11, lalong-lalo na sa night shift duty. Lahat ng 11 general order, mahalaga yan lahat. Okay? So, ano pa bang iano natin? Lahat na ano na, di ba? Si issue. Sa susunod naman, ang ipapamemorize ko naman sa inyo, sa susunod formation natin, pumunta tayo sa anong gusto niyo? Tapos na tayo sa security grade. 11GO. Ano yung gusto niyo? Ha? Titignan naman natin ngayon sa reporting. Di ba? Kung paano natin i-apply yung 11 general order at saka yung security grade. Di ba? Paano natin i-apply yon? So, pupunta naman tayo dun sa reporting. So, o kaya subordinates, o kaya asahan ko sa inyo, ayusin lang natin dapat natin ayusin dito. Kasi tulad nga ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, bakit ba tayo nandito sa loob? Bakit ba tayo pinili ng ating magiting na GPS Security Agency tayong nilagay dito sa loob? Di ba? Ibig sabihin, mapagkatiwalaan tayo, lehitimong security tayo, dahil alam natin yung parts ng ginagawa natin kung paano natin protektahan to protect life and properties to our client. Kaya tayo nandito. Di ba? Kasi hindi tayo ilalagay ng ating opisina ng ating security agency kung hindi natin kayang protektahan yung properties. Okay? So yun ang lagi kong pinapaalala sa inyo, bakit ba tayo nandito? Di ba? Bakit tayo nandito? Para protektahan ang properties ng ating client. Diba? Kaya tayo nandito. Okay, so implement lang natin yan. O kaya, kung may mga concern kayo, sabihin nyo lang dito sa SIC natin para at least ma-actionan natin kagad. Kung may mga request din kayo, sabihin nyo lang. Okay, para ma-actionan din natin kagad. Any concern?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayos ba tayong lahat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hanggang doon na lang. Okay, baka may sasabihin pa yung OIC, yung SIC natin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Yan. Kumat.
Man, ito. Man.
Kaya mga ka-scanner, kaya nagkandak tayo ngayon ng formation para i-check natin yung mga subordinates natin kung alam nila ba talaga yung mga ginagawa nila as a security personnel, alam nila ba talaga yung tinatanong natin kanina. Kasi pag hindi nila alam, ibig sabihin hindi sila lehitimong security. So mashallah, so it's very snappy. Ako yan nakakatuwa kasi nakita natin lahat yung mga subordinates natin. Kung ano yung tinatanong natin sa kanila, sinasagot nila ng mahusay at saka naintindihan maganda yung pagka-delivery ng salita nila. So sana lahat sana ng mga ating security personnel, hindi lang dito sa ating detachment, sana lahat nasa utak, nasa ulo nila lahat ang General 11 Order. Ito yung guidelines natin. Kung bakit ba natin na pinapasaulo sa kanila, dahil ito yung guidelines natin. Pag alam natin ito, alam natin kung anong ibig sabihin, hindi na tayo mawawala sa pagka-security kung paano natin ginagawa. So hanggang doon muna tayo mga ka-scanner. Okay, kung bago ka pa lang sa YouTube channel natin, huwag natin kalimutan mag-subscribe para lahat ng mga videos natin ma-update kayo. At saka kung gusto niyo mag-apply sa aming agency, pumunta lang sa himpilan ng GPS Security Agency, dyan lang po sa Mandaluyong, o kaya pwede kayo mag-PM sa amin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.